just like I've heard, it's good. It's got that one aspect, though, that so many Korean varieties have. It's got a bitter aftertaste, and that just kills me. Yes, that is a slice of cheese. If you're not familiar with cheese, you should try it. Very common to be added in Korean instant noodles. Did you know that? Well, you do now. That's really good. Cheese and egg. And speaking of egg, here is our egg. And I think egg is going to go hang out right here. And I think a little bit of sprout is in order. Right about here. Freshly opened pack of mung bean sprouts. Just the way I like it. And yeah. I got a new hat in Canada. What do you think? If you say anything other than, dude, that's rad, you are immediately banned from everything. And I'm not talking on the Ramen Raider stuff, but I mean just like universally, you're banned. You know, your face will fall off. Bad things will happen. I'm gonna let this cheese melt for a second before I rotato it up. But look what I got here. I've got the Dew Nighted low calorie Dew, Diet Mountain Dew. But look, North Carolina. Everybody's doing like some kind of summer promotion. Like Coca-Cola puts people's names on them. This one they're doing states. And I guarantee there's somebody out there collecting them all. Well, perhaps a sprinkle of togarashi, some nanami togarashi, and a little interlude with rotato. Let's get you all situated for your little ride. Right about there. I think that's a safe bet. And off we go. Alright, this one's good. You should check it out. Have a good one. You know? Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.